In this video, you'll learn how to find your Microsoft Bookings link so you can quickly share your booking page with others. We'll go through the entire process step by step in a clear and simple way, so even if you're new to Microsoft Bookings, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type in book.es and press enter on your keyboard. This short address redirects you to the Microsoft Bookings site, so you don't have to remember a long URL. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in with your Microsoft Work or school account. Go ahead and sign in using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in and Bookings has loaded, you'll see a list of your available booking pages or calendars. These are the pages that clients, customers, or colleagues can use to schedule time with you or your team. Take a moment to locate the specific booking page you want to share. This might be a general bookings page for your organization, or it could be a more specific one, such as for a particular service, department, or staff member. When you see the booking page you want, click to open it. You should now be on that page's main screen where you can adjust settings, services, staff, and other options. What we're looking for here is the share option, which is how you access the public link for this page. Look toward the top area of the screen for a share icon. Depending on your version or layout, this might look like an arrow pointing out of a box, 3 connected dots or lines, or a small icon labeled share. It is usually located near the page title or in the main toolbar for that booking page. When you find it, click on the share icon. After you click the share icon, a small window or panel will appear. This is the sharing section that contains the link to your public booking page. In this panel, you'll see a URL that represents the page people will use to book time with you. Make sure it looks like a standard Microsoft Bookings link and that it's associated with the correct booking page you selected. If you manage multiple pages, double check that you're sharing the right one. Now you're ready to copy the link. In most cases, there will be a button labeled copy, copy link, or something similar right next to the URL. Click that button to copy the link to your clipboard. If there isn't a dedicated button, you can instead highlight the entire link with your mouse, right-click, and choose Copy. Once the link is copied, you can paste it wherever you need. For example, you can paste it into an email to clients, add it to your email signature, place it on your website, or share it in chat tools like Teams. To paste, simply go to the destination, click where you want the link to go, and press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, and that's all you need to do. By going to book.ms, opening the right booking page, clicking the share icon, and copying the link, you'll always be able to quickly find and share your Microsoft Bookings page with anyone who needs to schedule time with you.